I just want to show you this simple AI agent that I built. I just want to tell you that this in no way is an advanced agent. This is just a simple agent that will give you the gist of what can be done with an AI agent and how powerful n8n is. Now, and I also want to give you the disclaimer that I'm in no way an expert at this. I'm just a learner. I'm just learning and I'm just sharing my learning journey. Even this AI agent, I learned this from multiple sources. From school communities, from YouTube tutorials, and yeah. Now, let me just give you a basic demo of this agent. By the way, I'm gonna leave the template of this whole agent, and then, yeah, you can use it yourself as a personal assistant. There we go. Um, what is my schedule for tomorrow? There we go. Got the events here. Now, if you want to set an event, we can just command it set an event with Arhan at 9 a.m. in the morning tomorrow. Now let's see if it has popped up on our calendar. Yep, there we go. Even with Arhan at 9 a.m. Now let's retrieve our last emails. Okay. Get my last 5 emails from yesterday. So your last 5 emails from yesterday. You see, so I actually scheduled some posts on some social media platforms, and these emails are probably from the scheduling software that I was using. You see, it works. Now let's do something. Send an email to custom chroma creations at gmail.com asking if he is up for coffee and gym at 6 p.m. in the evening. Oh, email sent. So fast. Yeah. Yeah, there we go. And saying, just checking if you're up for coffee sometime soon. Let me know your availability. No, that was, yeah, there we go. We received the email now. I hope this message finds you well. Are you up for coffee and a gym session at 6 p.m. this evening? Let me know if that works for you. So cool, yeah? Yeah, since I've shown you the demonstration, I just want to show you the insights of the agent and how it's built. So, you have the logical understanding of how this works. All of these tools that you see, send emails, get a schedule, set a schedule, are tools, and they all are built in n8n separately, all right, in another workflow. And you see this OpenAI chat model, this is the brain of this whole AI agent. And this AI agent has the prompt, which is this one. You will have it again when you download the template, so I don't have to show you the whole stuff out here. Let's check out the first tool that we have here, set a schedule. As you can see, this workflow is pretty simple. Let me just go through each one of these nodes fast. We have here. Now, make sure that whenever you add this node, you add the fields here. You add the field by clicking on this button, but since it's already been added, I want to add another one. And the name should be query. It's all in under the query, right? All the commands that you're going to receive are going to be under the query. And then And in this model, I have chosen GPT 4.1 mini. You can choose any one, but 4.1 mini is the cheapest and the fastest. Now, I think GPT 5 Nano is the fastest and cheapest. Well, it is what it is, bro. But you can choose anyone. That's the point. And then we have the calendar node here. It's connected to my calendar. You can see the setup over here. We have the start time, then we have the end time, and then we have the summary field. Now you have to add the summary field, otherwise it won't give an even name to the scheduled event. Okay, now for example, if I set an event with Arhan, it won't give it the name event with Arhan. You get it? Perfect, yeah. Then we have edit fields, and we the reason we have it so that it returns the output to the main agent, which is this one. So it goes like this. You give a command, it goes here, goes back here, and then goes there, and then it goes here till here, edit fields, it sets the appointment, then it returns to the AI agent, and then it gives you a reply on Telegram. You see how that works? Interesting, right? Now, let's go with the second tool, which is get a schedule. Now, let's go with the second tool, which is get a schedule. I know this one looks a little bit complicated, but it's not. It's simple. Trust me. It's simple as always. You start the workflow with this node. You add the field with the name query and the string type. Then you add another LLM. Again, I chose 4.1 mini. You can choose any one. It's up to you. And then I added the role system and this prompt and then user. And yeah, and then it just gives the requested day and the next day. We're gonna need that to get many events, to get the events that we have in between those dates. After that, we use the node get many events, the official Google Calendar node. And just make sure that in this box you have the requested day, and in this box you have the before date. So you get all the events that are there in between these dates, these two dates. And then you need an output. Edit fields give you the output. It looks like this. Once we have that, we add another LLM, and then we give this prompt to it. You don't have to worry about it. You're gonna have all of it just in the template. But I'm just showing you the inside of the system just for the sake of it. Once we execute this one, it gives the content. You see? It has given a summary, AI generates summary. You have one event scheduled for the day on September 10th. And then we aggregate all of them. So we're gonna get a lot of data of a lot of events. We're gonna aggregate them in a single paragraph. Yeah. And then we are going to return that output to the main agent. And it's the same. It goes here, then here, then here, then it goes there, get a schedule. It goes back to the agent, output the same output that edit fields give. It goes back to the AI agent, and then it goes back to Telegram as a reply. Yeah, that's it. As simple as that. Now let's go with the third tool, which is get emails. The get emails we have. This is getting interesting right now. This is where I did something very different. Instead of using LLM, I used code. Now it made the process a bit faster and free. Yeah, really free. So let's go how it goes. As you can see, the inside of this node is not much different. A little bit different because we have four fields. Let me tell you the function of each. We have limit. Limit is for the number of emails that we are trying to retrieve. So get me last five emails. Five is the limit. It could be 10, could be 20. And then we have unread only. Now we need that false. We need that true, right? Unread only. Because what are we going to do of the summary of the read emails? We have already read, yeah? We need the unread ones. That's how the personal assistant is going to help me, yeah? Then we have the date. Then we have the sender. Sender email. And then the interesting part. I know a lot of you might not be into coding, but here's the code. It's simple. I even took help of ChatGPT in this one. Yeah, when we execute it, it's fast. It's so fast. You see, if it was LLM, it would have taken at least 5 seconds or 2 seconds. But we go back. We go to get many images, get many messages, images. Oh shit. Okay. Now you connect your email account, all right? Like you have to connect your email account, and on the labels, you have to have inbox and unread. You don't want the emails from promotions or updates. You need it from inbox and unread. Now, let me just tell you that we are not using edit fields here. We are using code. I just wanted to try something new. So we have it here. When we execute it, this is what we get. Everything. Yeah. You see, that's the crazy thing about it. Coding makes it so faster that it's like within a snap of a second, you get the results. Now the process is same here as well. It gives the output back to the agent, and agent sends back a reply to you. Hey, these are the emails. These are the summary. That's how it goes. And now we are at the last tool of our AI agent. Send emails. On send emails, just make sure that it's defined automatically by the model. I was having a little bit trouble setting this one, but I finally set it up. So, yeah. Let's go to the send email one. So simple, right? Just for notes. As usual, we have when executed by another workflow. This is an example email. So we have the send to one, we have the subject, and we have the body. Then we have this code. You are going to get this code with the template, so don't worry about that either. And then we have the Gmail node to execute it. By the way, just a simple detail over here. You gotta add an option. Let me show you. You have to add an option. You will see append n8n attribution. You gotta switch it off, because if you don't, you will have a footer with send automatically by n8n message. You don't want that. It looks unprofessional, right? So there's that. Then we have edit fields to return the output. Yeah, easy. And then it goes back here. And then it goes back here, sends you the message. We're good. There you have it. Now feel free to steal it. You can find the link in the description. Just get it on Gumroad. It's totally free. And use the bot for your own advantage, right? Send an email to your friend, wife, whoever you want. It just makes stuff easy.